Welcome back to Agentic AI series, where we explore the evolving relationship between AI automation and human ingenuity. In our last episode, we explored how AI first operating systems could redefine computing, making applications and interfaces obsolete. Today, we're diving into another transformation, one that's reshaping the very foundation of how software is built. For decades, programming has been a process of increasing abstraction. We started with raw machine code, where engineers had to physically manipulate hardware. Then came assembly languages, offering a slightly more human readable way to control computers. Higher level languages like C, Java, and Python made development easier, abstracting away hardware concerns. Then came virtual machines, cloud computing, and containers, technologies that allowed developers to focus on logic rather than infrastructure. But something even bigger is happening now. AI is shifting the paradigm once again. The next generation of programming isn't about writing code, it's about speaking to machines. For years, developers wrote detailed logic to instruct computers what to do line by line. Now, with generative AI, we are abstracting even further, moving from syntax and structure to simple intent. Instead of manually coding an application, developers can describe what they want, and AI generates the underlying logic. Instead of debugging errors, AI can preemptively optimize workflows. Instead of writing every function from scratch, AI can design, execute, and even self correct based on high level prompts. Think of it like this: just as containers abstracted infrastructure deployment, prompting abstract software creation, AI is becoming the new compiler, translating human intent into executable actions. The shift is already happening. Need a chatbot? AI can generate the entire flow. Need an API? AI can write the code, test it, and deploy it. Need a data pipeline? AI can automate it with a single instruction. The role of the programmer is no longer about writing every line of code, but about guiding AI to build and refine solutions. But this doesn't mean programming is dead. Far from it. The best engineers will not be the ones who write the most code, but the ones who can orchestrate AI driven development. They'll validate AI generated logic, optimize workflows, and ensure systems are robust and secure. If AI writes a function, humans will still need to verify its efficiency, performance, and real world reliability. If AI generates a data pipeline, experts will still need to check for security risks and potential biases. This evolution isn't just about faster development, it's about a new way of thinking. Agentic AI is taking this a step further. Instead of simply generating responses, AI systems are learning to act autonomously. They don't just provide code snippets, they build applications, deploy services, and iterate on their own outputs. AI agents are starting to take high level goals and break them into actionable steps, much like a junior engineer executing a project under supervision. And this isn't speculation. Real world applications are already emerging. Autonomous agents like AutoGPT and Baby AGI take a single prompt and execute multi step workflows, conducting research, organizing data, and refining results iteratively. AI software engineers like Devin AI don't just suggest code, they write, test, debug, and deploy entire applications. With AI plugins and operator models, systems like ChatGPT are moving beyond conversation, integrating with APIs, databases, and external tools to automate entire processes. AI is moving from being a passive assistant to an active executor. And as AI learns to validate its own outputs, even the traditional debugging process is being reshaped. AI will soon be able to check its own code for inefficiencies, optimize performance, and eliminate security vulnerabilities without human intervention. In a sense, software will become self improving, constantly evolving without requiring a developer to intervene at every step. So, what does this mean for the future of software engineering? Developers won't disappear, they will evolve. The role will shift from writing code to guiding AI driven solutions. Engineers will no longer spend their time on repetitive tasks, but will focus on orchestrating AI systems, designing high level architectures, and validating outputs. AI first development will require a new skill set, one that blends programming expertise with AI literacy, problem solving, and strategic thinking. This shift will also impact businesses. Instead of building traditional development teams, companies will integrate AI agents into their workflows, reducing time to market for new products. Entire applications will be built, tested, and optimized through AI driven processes, allowing engineers to focus on innovation rather than repetitive coding tasks. The evolution of AI in programming raises some big questions. If AI can generate, validate, and optimize its own outputs, what role does the human programmer play? Will we move beyond coding altogether, entering an era of fully autonomous software development? What new skills will become essential in a world where AI writes AI? One thing is clear: the future of software engineering isn't about writing more code, it's about designing, validating, and orchestrating intelligent systems. AI is the new compiler, and those who learn to work with it will shape the next era of technology. Thank you for tuning into this episode. Stay tuned as we continue to explore the evolving landscape of AI, its impact on industries, and the future of intelligence driven systems.